In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dispute an Affirm charge. If a charge doesn't look right, acting promptly and staying organized can make the process smoother. We'll walk through what to do, why each step matters, and a few tips to help your case move along efficiently. Start by contacting the merchant directly and trying to resolve the issue with them. Many problems like being charged twice, receiving the wrong item, or not getting what you paid for can be fixed fastest at the source. When you reach out, have your order number, receipt, tracking details, and a clear summary of what went wrong. Keep your tone factual and polite, and ask for confirmation if they issue a refund or replacement. Save screenshots or copies of any messages. Those will be helpful later if you need to escalate. If you're not able to resolve it with the merchant, log into your Affirm account or open the Affirm app. Make sure you're on a secure connection and use your normal login method. Once you're in, locate the specific transaction you want to dispute. Open its details so you can double-check dates, amounts, and the merchant name to ensure you're targeting the right charge. Look for the option labeled something like Report a Problem or Dispute Charge. The wording may vary slightly, but it should be clearly associated with that transaction. Select it to begin the dispute flow. Provide all required details about the issue. Be concise but thorough. Explain what happened, when it happened, and what you requested from the merchant. Include order numbers, dates, and any supporting documentation, such as screenshots of conversations or proof of a return. Stick to facts and avoid sharing sensitive information like passwords. If the situation involves fraud or unauthorized activity, include specific markers that help verify your claim. Note your last valid purchase with Affirm, when you first noticed the unfamiliar charge, and any relevant reports you've filed, such as identity theft documentation if you have it. Clarify that you did not authorize the transaction and include any helpful context, like whether your device or account credentials were ever compromised. Finally, submit your dispute and wait for Affirm to review your case. You'll receive updates through your Affirm account and sometimes by email, so keep an eye on notifications and respond promptly to any requests for more information. Review timelines can vary, and in some cases, Affirm may pause payments on the disputed transaction while they investigate. Continue paying any unrelated loans as scheduled, and that's it. Your dispute will be processed and updated through your Affirm account, and with clear documentation, you'll be well positioned for a smooth resolution.